how do you get an EIN number? For this, you have to fill in the form SS4. Well, SS4 is a form which is used for filing to get an EIN number. An EIN number is used to contact IRS or to get registered with IRS regarding the federal tax purposes. So if you are an individual or looking to start a business, you can get an EIN number for your business if you are registered in US, or you can, if you have an SSN number and you want to work as an independent contractor, you can just get an EIN number and you can file under that EIN number for your business also. Okay, so let's get through this form SS4, and you can literally get EIN number by online, by fax, by mail, or by phone. Okay, so if you have an SSN number or you reside in the US, you can go to the IRS and apply for EIN number, and you can do that by going to the IRS website and click on apply for EIN number. You can go there, you can get your EIN number instantly by putting out your information and other stuff. They would just require the basic information such as your name, address, phone number, email, etc., and that's it, and you will just get an EIN instantly by that. So if you are not living in the US, or you don't have an SSN number, you can still apply your EIN number, employer identification number, using an SSS4 form. So how do you file that SSS4 form? Well, the best way is to fax this form. So this is the fax number if you are within the US. If your fax which you purchase is within the US, then fax using this number, and if the fax which you have is outside of the US, then fax on this number. It's as simple as that. For this, I would recommend you to use the fax.plus. It's the best website which I have been using for quite a long time right now. You can see the pricing. It will only cost you, like, if you go to the monthly plan right here, it will cost you like $9, and you can do the faxing using this, and you can get your EIN number by just doing that. Okay, so let's get back to the SS4 form. So how do you fill out this form? Well, basically what you have to do is enter your name, your legal entity name. Let's say my company name is Town LLC, and you have to add the legal name of the trade name. If your business name is different, you can just make this blank. If it doesn't, add your mailing address, add your zip code, your city, and if foreign, then you can add on this address, and if different, you can add this here. And go to the down, and you can click on the 7A. It's the name of the responsible party. If you are the director of this company, if you're the director, just write your name. I'm just writing mine in this case. And if you have an SSN number, ITIN number, just write that below. If you don't have, just write NA, not applicable. So is this application for a limited liability company? If it's your limited liability company, just click on yes, and then go down, what's the type of entity you have. So if you have a sole proprietorship or limited liability company, if you are not living in the US, you can just write foreign owned disregarded entity, foreign owned disregarded entity. So if you are living in the US and you have a limited liability company, you can just write limited liability company. Okay, and if you go down, reason for applying, you can just say started a new business and just write the nature of your business, what you do. If you're an e-commerce store, just write that here. Okay, and instead of that, just go down, date of the business started, just add the date on which your business is registered in the state. Okay, what is the end of the closing year? As most of the businesses have December, so I'm just writing down here December, and just leave that blank. And what's your niche for this? So I would apply for finance and insurance because I work in finance and insurance. And just go down, just write your name instead of here, and just write address and zip code. And your phone number, it must be a US number, and it's your fax number on which you will get back your EIN number. And telephone number, if you have a number which is in the US, then do that here and add your fax number also right here. Okay, so that's it for this thing, and just sign it right here. Just use the digital signature and add the date right here, and attach your LLC documents such as articles of organization along with this SS4 form. That's it. That's just you need to do to file your SS4 form. Just attach it with your articles of organization and you're good to go. And I would prefer to mail it, not mail it, fax it to the IRS, and you will get back reply from the IRS in almost 2 weeks. So if you have any questions regarding that, you can just comment under this video, and I hope you enjoy this video.